Welcome to our guide on using keyboard shortcuts effectively. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key, and keyboard shortcuts can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive into some common keyboard shortcuts. These handy combinations can save you time and streamline your workflow, whether you're editing documents or browsing the web. Did you know you can customize your own shortcuts? Personalizing shortcuts allows you to align them with your unique workflow, maximizing your productivity. Shortcut cheat sheets are incredibly useful. They serve as easy references for learning new shortcuts and can help you familiarize yourself with the commands quickly. Integrating shortcuts into your daily tasks can be transformative. Start small by dedicating time each day to practice and build a habitual use into your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect. Engaging in exercises designed for shortcut use will enhance your familiarity and speed over time. Sometimes, issues arise with shortcuts. Let's explore common problems and how to fix them. Don't worry, we'll help you troubleshoot. Now, we'll delve into advanced shortcuts for power users. Discover lesser-known but incredibly effective shortcuts that can elevate your tasks to the next level. In conclusion, we encourage you to explore and utilize keyboard shortcuts further. Unlock your productivity potential and enjoy a smoother computing experience.